Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. First, you need to go to their website. After going to their website, you have to go to the search section. You have to search for the product. For instance, we are going to buy an wallet. I'm going to enter wallet here. After selecting the wallet, I'll choose a product from here. I'm choosing this product. After choosing this product, you have to choose a color which you are going to buy. After selecting the color, click on buy now. After clicking on buy now, you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you can see here that inbound with original packaging. By watching this, read this note. If you select this service, your parcel will still be unpacked to check for contraband and inspection. If the packaging box does not meet the requirement of the service, the system will automatically cancel it for you. So you just need to click on inbound with original packaging, and while here you have to select the option of no. So this probably will help you to get cheap shipping charges, and you can also use the coupons in from your account for cheap shipping. I hope this video has helped. Then please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.